Hoover Dam. Pickup truck down there. Pickup truck down there.
Okay, here you go. So, start. Don't press the screen. Start telling us what you know about the Hoover Dam. But you have to watch where you're aiming now.
Why are you aiming at me? Good. So, about the Hoover Dam, a dog was the mascot. There was this dog over here. And over there somewhere is the dog's grave, but the dog, like, he died here. He was run over by a truck while he was sleeping.
All right.
Is that it?
So, yeah, but where are we going to now? After this.
Las Vegas.
And what are we going to do in Las Vegas?
M&M factory. I don't know.
All right, guys, say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. We'll see you next time.
Yeah.
Right?